Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Therichpost, myself Ajay. Hope you all are doing good. So friends, in this working video, I'm going to show you Angular 10 laravel 8 image upload tutorial. So friends, on my screen you can see Angular 10 is working fine. And here is my laravel 8 section. And here is my image folder where I will upload the image. And now I'm going to show you working functionality. And before starting, I must say, please watch the video till then and please subscribe my channel for latest Angular and Laravel 8 updates. So friends, now I'm going to do functionality. Choose file. This will open file chosen. Upload. See friends, hooray! Image uploaded successfully. Now we will check in our image folder. Great. Now I will upload one more image. File choose. Select, open and upload. Great. Field empty. So see friends, Angular 10, Laravel 8 image upload functionality is working fine. So friends, like always, I will share the code snippet link into the video description and you can get the code easily. If you will still have any kind of query, suggestion or more requirements, then you can comment on this video. Also, you can contact me via my blog. I will share all the details in the video description. So friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.